Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to make shirt and trouser by paper folding. As previewed in the right top corner box, we have learned how to make paper bird and nest. Do let me know in the comment box how much you like the video. Link for the same is in description box. Do subscribe for direct updates. Let's start with shirt first. Start folding rectangular paper by following my steps. The dimensions of paper I have used is mentioned in the description box. Mark 1.5 cm on each side. Cut approx 2 cm on each side from the mark point as shown. Now we will fold and join the corners to make collar. The next steps are pretty easy to follow. As you can see, the structure of shirt is ready with collars and sleeves on the sides. I have used glue to paste the corner of the collar. Now to decorate, we will sketch to make tie, pocket and borders. Our shirt is complete. Now let's make trouser. Use half of the A4 sheet and follow the steps as shown in the video. It is very easy to make and only requires tricky foldings at 2 points, which I will explain to you. Here comes the first tricky folding. We will fold the paper from outside to inside and press it gently. We will do the same folding on both sides. Now follow the folding pattern as shown. This is the second tricky folding and the final one, which I am showing you in slow motion so that you can easily follow. Our trouser is ready. Now we will sketch its border, pockets and belt. Thanks for watching.